So that's why here they're going for SOC, EIE 2023-24, third semester, first batch. Suppose if any student is, for any faculty is not appearing, just to click on the drop down and just to click that one, automatically here, what are the subjects handling for that semester, it will be pop up. So now, if you click on this one, on the subject, then you can see here, there are contents, schedule, assignments, quiz, rubrics, like this. Some contents will be appear in the left side of the tab. Now, so you want to add for the new chapter and everything. So for that one, so before I'm going for here is, I go for the edit menu. Now I want to go for the new chapter. So such we are going for adding a chapter. So I'll go for adding a chapter. Suppose here already madam is added 5 chapters. Suppose let us take a chapter, another chapter. I'll take as so see here in bottom, chapter 6 are added. So this chapter for student, it pop-up point of view. Here they're going for cross mark is there. So here cross mark, if you place your finger on the cross mark, then bottom it shows the unpublished. So if you click that one, it becomes once published, then students can see, can visual. So then suppose you want to add the what are the subtopics and everything, just you press on this one and enter the subtopic. You're going for topic 1. Just I'm giving simple topic 1. So what is the duration? So how many minutes it will take time? Let us take, it will take time 120 minutes. That is the 2 hours time. So just to add 120 minutes, add subchapter, then automatically that also will pop up. So if you click this one, so in bottom, if you see here, you're going for topic 1. Now this also you have to click this one, then only click publish. Then you're going for, you want to add material to the topic 1. So add again plus item this one. Here we are going for adding a page, file, assignment, quiz, anything. Suppose you want to add some data point of view. Let us take, so I'm going for adding some material. So you have to give about the some web page, or you're going for some link. So I'm going for some document point of view. So you're going for material 1. So material 1. Then if you select here material 1, choose from file. So from the computer, you're going for upload from the computer. So just I'm randomly. So I'm taking uploading from the computer. Maybe you're going for. So just I'm going for simple. I just adding and I can later will delete open. So here file is uploaded. So I don't want this file to upload point of view. So suppose if you save and publish, automatically the students can visual the what is the data. So if I don't want this one, just I will go for remove this data. So like this, you add any material to the student's point of view, the course notes and everything. So now I am removing this chapter also. So going for I am removing this one because already data is published data. So this is entering about the course content point of view, what are the courses are there, and in the course content, what are the subtopics, each topic content, how much duration, everything. So once it will complete, then once this is over, this window, then go to the left side, there is a portal. So click the portal. If you have any doubts, you can ask. So I think the first screen is very small screen, that's why I covered fast. So if you have any doubts, again I'll go back. If you have any doubts, anyone has a doubt, you can raise the question.
Gireesh, can you repeat this part once again?
Okay. So then again go to LMS. Sir, initially first you have to click edit mode. So once it will start. So I will start from the once I will start from here onwards again. 1 minute. My courses. So initially, once you log in, you get appear the page is like this. So once you get this page, So click on the subject. So in the subject, if already anyone, any faculty is added, no problem. If new faculty, so here right side, there is a add chapter, or sometimes in the bottom itself, there is going for add chapter like this. They give, they will, some screen will be appear. So you click add chapter and then give the title of the chapter and simply add the chapter. So once chapter is added, then you click on the publish it button. Once click on the publish button, then only student can see the what is the chapter. After that one, for subtopics of that chapter, click button. So adjacent to the tick mark, there is a plus symbol. If you click on this one, add subchapter, then subchapter, you give the topic name of the subchapter. Going for, suppose, let us say, you are going for vectors. In that one, what is the vector? So like this, you give some sort of a subtopic as per the syllabus book. Already have in the syllabus, unit 1 is a module and going for. Then you give the duration. So I will show here already some topics are added. So for this is the unit, module 1, ammeters and voltmeters. So here is, there are sub-modules like this one. So classifications like this, these are all sub-modules of the syllabus. And here again, if you click on this one, so there is no matter. So you're going for some materials may be provided somewhere. So if there is any, so here the material in the last topic, they provide the material. So module 1, course material and virtual lab links for circuits. So like this, you give some sort of links to the students. So for this, just now I already explained how to provide the link. So here you click the, again, add a plus symbol, add item. So once you click this one, so you want to click about the files, page, assignment like this based on your interest. So the here the madam taken as files. So she given attachment of course material and you are going for virtual lab links. So if you need, if you want interest to give about the page, in this page, you want to copy the course material also, you can do your interest. After this one, every time you have to click the, double click on this one. Otherwise, once, if tick mark is not the cross mark, so students cannot be, for students it's not visible. Only if the tick mark, then only student can see what is the data is available. They're going for whatever the material, if you send everything, then student can be visual. Is it okay for everyone? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So shall I go to the next one? So after completion of this first thing, you're going for this page, then go to the portal. So here the left side, there is a portal is there. You click on the portal. So once you click on the portal, here in the left side, there are some tabs are there, enterprise, admission, students like this. So now here, first you go to the OBE tab. In that one, so already OBE configuration is over. So no faculty, suppose if anyone map also, don't touch the configuration of OBE, already is over. Now, program outcomes and educational objectives and program outcomes. So I will show the program OBE also, but already is configuration over, so don't touch. So here is, in this one, see here, BTech. Okay, so already some program is assigned. So BTech Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, already number of POs already mapped. Similarly, BTech Instrumentation, like this already, some of the last time we completed about how many POs and everything. Similarly, so that's why no need to go for this one. So coming to the directly POs and POs. So we are going for here. I'll take as a school of engineering. So program. So you select about your program and then, so suppose if you want to go for new, then you have to, so here initially we have to give about when its program will be start. Suppose when you go for the every time, you have to give about this effective date for this PEOs and POs, because your attainment point of view, every time you're going for PO attainment and PEO attainment, or going for PSO attainment, user defined point of view, you can change. So what is the learning ability of the student point of view, your graduates attainment point of view, you can change point of view. Here, I change the PO attainment, you're going for date. So the date is, class for commencement date is 17th July 2023 for the semester point of view, you can change. So once this will click, then here educational objectives will come. So already POs, how many POs already defined in the outcome-based configuration? So automatically defined. So total number of POs that is going for POs and PSOs. So if you observe here POs, so here PO1. So we are already the data we are copied from this one. So you enter about the enroll. So going for what is the statement of this one. Similarly, PEO2 enter. Suppose if you want to enter the new, so add PEO. Then you have to give about the number PEO4, save. Then it will appear bottom PEO4. Then you have to give about the what is the description of the PEO statement. If any faculty, if any department have 4 PEOs, just you have to type the PEO4. So next one, coming to the PSOs. So standard POs are 12. Some department has POs, PSOs are 4. Some department has PSOs are 3. So in this department, they are going for 12 plus 3. That's why total count is 15. So see here PO1, PO1 description, and we are expected attainment 60% for PO1 and expected attainment percentage of student is 60%. So I am giving all 60-60. So based on the again internal department discussions, this can be changed, but initially I am putting as all are 60-60. So similarly, so PO2 expected, PO3 expected and everything, PO4, PO5, and you are going for PO6, PO7, PO8, PO9, PO10, PO11, PO12. So next one is PSO1. So how to select PSO1 I will show here. So if you go for add POs, so already, so POs are completed. So that's why, so this button will be enabled. Just I will go for remove one more thing and I have to add. Okay. So suppose 1 minute, I will take this one, Control C, Control X, I will delete. So I'm going for delete this one. So see here now, I will add. So here, suppose if you add directly PO, it will come PO. Suppose you want to go for PSO, then if you click on the PSO checklist, otherwise directly go for PO. Now I am going for adding PO1. So save. Okay, here it will come as lost because already we delete. So PO1. So I am going for statement. So my attainment is 60% and you're going for expected is 60%. So then, so here you have to go for mapping. So PO1. So we are going for PO and PO mapping table. PO1 mapping with I am going for strong. So I am adding one more thing. So again for PO2. So I am going for strong. So like this, I am adding this one. Okay. So now I go for save. So my update. So PO1. So I'm going for already PO1. Okay, here the last one. So description, you're going for adding. Okay, so already used PO is not taking point of view. So I'm taking as the change one is, so we are going for delete this one. So I have to add the new. So PO, I'm going for, let us take 13 itself is my name. Same. So Control V, PO1 strong. So another one, PO2 strong. So 60%. 60%. Now I'm going for save. You are trying to remove Used PO in the course outlay. Okay, already I am unable to add because the deletion also is not possible. Already in course outlay is also over. So I'm going for the cancel of this one. So I'm going for the back because already I used this PO. But anyhow, you can see that the PO statement is like this. So already this PO1 is already used in other field. That's why I am unable to delete and everything. So you have to add and delete. Just I shown the example. So this is only one time you have to do in the department, not multiple times. Only one time is sufficient. Is it okay? Only one time because the PO and PO mapping, PO mapping and everything, only one time in the department, everything. Then you're going for coming to the next one, course designer. So in course designer, so here, what are the courses list, everything will be appear. So here you have to map about the staff. So who are the staff is taking these courses. For that one, we have to go for the address. So here, let us take this one. This is the course. Let us take this course. We are going for faculties handling the subject, electronic circuit analysis, and we are going for the other subjects like electrical and electronic measurements or signal system. So from this one, you can go for using staff lookup table and everything. Suppose if I want to search about the signal systems, something like you are going for other name. Some So if you type here, you will get the faculty name. So in that one, so sir, anyone who is taking the signal systems, can you tell the name? I will type here. Vijay Kishore sir.
I hope Amit Gangopadhyay is taking. I think. I'm not sure, but
Suppose if I type no, so if you see here, I'll get the name is Amit Gangopadhyay. So I can assign him also. Now, once I assign him, automatically he also can be enter the remaining part of this one syllabus, and with otherwise this is not possible for this. He is not getting the display. So first you have to who are the staff taking all this one. I first we have to enter. Okay, now I'm deleting this one. So once this screen is complete, then we have to go to the course outlay list. So already in the course outlay list, I already entered the subject, but anyhow, I will show this one. Suppose you want to enter the new, you click the new symbol, or already if there is entered, suppose here already data is entered, just I'm going for, click on this one, I'll go for edit. So here, drop downs will be there. So I'm going for branch, effective date when the going for this course is starting. So what type of course is a program core or school core? So if you go for the drop down program core or school core, it will shows, and the course codes, and you're going for the what is the prerequisites, number of credits, and you're going for the course is practical course and theoretical. So what is the number of hours for practical, number of hours for lecture, like this you have to enter. Then you have to enter about the preamble, that's the course description. Then you're going for syllabus, you give complete syllabus just by going for copy paste of your complete syllabus. Textbooks, reference. So this concept map is not required, any file document is not required. Then you go move to the next. So after the next, here for each course, every course has CO statements are there. Now you have to give about the CO1. What is the CO1 description? So what type of CO? CO is based on the system here design. So here there is a cognitive levels are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels. You can select the suitable cognitive level. So here apply is a one cognitive level, and you have, if you observe the right side, CO PO mapping table. So for now there are total 1 to 12 POs and 3 PSOs. You have to select about the PO, and the PO is highly mapped, or you're going for 3 to 1 3 is strong, 2 is medium, 1 is low. Like this, first you have to mapping the CO, PO. So for each course, CO and PO, suppose you want to add multiple points. So here, I think you're going for 3 will be there. Suppose you want to add about this one, you can add one more thing. So you're going for like this, you can add. So if not required, then you can go for delete about this one. So total, so you're going for PO1, PO2, PO3, PO5, and PSO2. So these are going for mapping this there. Similarly, what is the expectation of the attainment of that CO? And expectation attainment percentage of CO going for, I'm giving all are 60-60. So going for 60-60. So you can change this expected attainment. Maybe you're going for 80 or you're going for 70. So based on the complexity of the course, you can increase about the expectation. But for all these things, you must be maintained record in the department level meetings you're going for. So what is the, for each course, what is the attainment expectations, the course wise. So next, similarly, you have go for adding one more statement, then going for, you have to add continuously. So CO2, CO3, CO4, CO5, CO6. Suppose you want to add one more thing, you can add course, then automatically get a. So you are going for, you give about the course ID CO7. If there are 7 statements, you give about the CO7, and then you can go for the learning level, cognitive. We are using only cognitive domain. We are not affective or psychomotor because our theoretical, all these are cognitive only, cognitive. And then you about the Bloom's level, evaluation, remembering, understand, based on the statements. And again, select PO1 and you're going for the mapping. So that's all you're going for, you can do that activity. So after this one, go to the next one. So no need to give about any cognitive. So in examination assessment point of view, remembering level percentage, understanding percentage, apply percentage, analysis percentage like this, but it's not required this one. Just you can go skip this one, you go for apply, finish. So this is the course outlay once you complete about this one. So first you have to do the PO and PO in the design in the department only once. After that one, course designer also in department level only one. Then course outlay, every faculty have to do about the course outlay list because faculty has mapped this one course. Then you have to add about the for that course, what is the CO, what is the CO mapping table. After completion of this one, then go to the assessment question bank. So you can doubts if anyone has doubts up to that. If anyone has doubts up to that. Anyone has doubts in this PEO, POs, course designer, course outlay list? Shall I move to the next one?
Sir.
Hello?
Sir, Gireesh, sir.
Madam.
Sir. Sir, this is Dharani, sir. Sir, మనం ఇక్కడ OBA లో మాకు మీరు చెప్పినవన్నీ రావట్లేదు సార్. ప్రివిలేజెస్ మాకు చాలా లేవు సార్. PO, CO అవన్నీ చెప్పారు కదా సార్. అవే మాకు ఆప్షన్స్ కనిపించట్లేదు సార్ మా
లాగిన్స్ లో. POs and POs only department only one faculty can't be sufficient. That way okay. That is not required, madam. So you course outlay list is visible or not for you? Course outlay list is visible,
yes, sir.
Madam.
Course outline list outlay is visible, sir.
That is sufficient, madam. POs and
configuration,
POs,
outlay list and OB dashboard.
So OB configuration also is not required for you, madam. So mainly for you is course outlay list. If that is visible for you, then automatically you can enter, madam. Okay. Remaining, head of the department, if head of the department will log in, the first 3 is sufficient. First 3, HOD can do all this one because HOD is nothing but if HOD log in these screens, so HOD will take help of the faculty or any non-teaching staff and everything. They're going for technical supporting staff. So he can complete about the what is POs and PEOs, the statements and mapping and everything. So from you, course outlay list is important, madam.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank you, sir.
for all the members, course outlay list is mandatory. So if anyone has a doubt, you can ask. So shall I move to next slide? Shall I move to next one?
Yes, Gireesh, go ahead.
So then you go for assessment. So in the assessment question bank, so if you click on this one, you get this screen. So here, School of Engineering, Instrumentation, Department, Communication Engineering, semester, so third semester, batch 1, the course, electrical and electronic measurements, and you're going for search. So already madam created a question bank, just I'll go for this one. So already madam created, you're going for 1 mark questions, and going for the descriptive type, and you're going for some 10 mark questions. She created a few questions. So now suppose if you want to create the questions, so here click add new questions, then the pattern will be appear like this. So here already the question bank 1, and you're going for the branch. So she selected MCQ, or you're going for descriptive and everything. Suppose MCQ, so you have to give about the expected answers also. Everything is so here MCQs. Now suppose here I'll take as first MCQ. So 1 mark question. The complexity of MCQ, I'm taking as the star indicates the complexity. Going for 1 star indicates the complexity is very low. 5 star indicates the complexity is high. So you're going for the 1 to 5 rating point of view. The complexity is not Bloom's level. They're not mention of Bloom's level type, but they give a word like a complexity, low level to high level point of view. Suppose if MCQ 1 mark question, so I'm going for the complexity is moderate. You're going for the number of minutes. I'm going for 2 minutes, or you're going for 1 minute question. So you're going 1 mark, 1 minute question. So you're going for the key. So the MCQ point of view, the key is you're going for whether you're going for correct answer and everything, how to give about the answers point, otherwise not required and everything. So chapters, this is not required because star is not mandatory, it's not required anything. So directly here you can go for the part 1 and everything. You go for the part A, part B, part C. This is also not required because of the MCQ, because our MCQs, if any one student conduct the quiz, you go for MCQ, otherwise you're going for. Now, so you can give about the some ammeter is connected in dash. So I'm going for expected. So I'm going for series. Just I'm giving expect. So my answer, suppose I have to give about whether suppose this is correct, then I give about the marks, and you're going for, so you're going for add. So otherwise, so if I add, I go for the new one. So here is, I'll put as a tick mark. So if I put tick mark, that answer is correct. If you put a into mark, answer is wrong. So now I'm going for the parallel. So I'm going for, just I'm giving an example only, 0. So I put as a tick mark. Suppose marks anyhow 0 also, you can put the 0 also, will take us this one. Now, again you're going for, I make as combination. So you're going for either series or parallel. So I'm going for again, so 0. So I'm going for save. MCQ statement will add. So here, if you observe here, we're going for it appear in MCQ. descriptive and everything. So you're going for the weightage of this complexity is 2. Just I'm going example, I'm going complexity is 2. Then I'm going for the marks is 1 mark, and you're going for the time. Suppose you want to go for edit of this one, just click on this one again. So I want to go for only complexity is low level complex. I just I'll remove, and then again I'll go for the update. Then automatically here the data is updated. Like this, you have to enter all the questions. Suppose you want to enter again descriptive question, then you're going for, you give the statements and you can give. Suppose if in the question, if there is any equations will be there, then you click on the equation mode. So here it appears some format, default format. Suppose here I'll go for equation marks is, they are going for 8 marks. So I am going for number of minutes is, I'm expecting going for 20 minutes time. Yes, I'm going for. So here is, so here is scripting language is there, and you're going for different languages point of view and everything. So now, so here, if you observe this one, if you click on this one, you'll get the statements here. Suppose x by y. So if you click this one, fraction. Now here is x value becomes 10, y value becomes 2. So going for again equals. So you are going for x by y. So again I click this one. So I am going for x by y. So like this, I can type. If I type like this, here you can appear 10 by 2 equals to x by y. So like this, you can type the equations there itself. Otherwise, you can copy and paste also. So there are different scripts will be there. So subscripts, radicals, integral, differentiation. So you're going for, suppose you want to go for integration. So I'm clicking this one. So here the A and B. So the value of A, I can replace A by some 1, B by some 100. So if you observe here, so B by, so A by B, so going for the value B, you can change about the B, so 2, so you can get the value of 2. So like this, you can add the numbers, according to the numbers, continuously, you can write the equations and you can save the equations. Okay. So like this, you are going for complexity, marks, time, and everything you can increase. So now, anyone has doubts up to here? How to enter the questions?
Sir, is it possible to upload the bulk uploading at a time? Maybe
Yes, sir.
50 questions or 100 questions.
Yes, sir. Is the bulk upload also option is there, sir? Bulk upload also option is there. Suppose you're going for the question bank starting.